This is our room. Remember to put your card in here so the light turns on. I think this pull out to a bed, I think. So we have like our itinerary, our care sheets, and give us like hand sanitizer and mask with the Royal Caribbean logo in it, like the usual. And then where we hang up our clothes, and a safe box where you put your passport, money, jewelry, whatever valuable that you don't want to laying around. You have it secure in here. I think this is oh, you can put maybe like a storage area here too. Wow. Oh, by the way, so when you checked in, they give you a bracelet. This tells people that you are fully vaccinated. Welcome on board. We are going on the Odyssey of the Sea. We have a ocean view balcony. This is our balcony. Right now, because we're still okay, there you go. Right now, because we're still docked, a lot of people are still boarding. So our view right now is just buildings. Okay, let's close it. All right, this is a nice room. Let's check the restroom. Look at that. So we have shelves. So you can put your makeup or your personal stuff.